Today I'm going to show you how anyone can solo flawless the new Duality dungeon in Destiny 2. This guide is for anyone looking to get into solo flawless challenge. Okay, first let's show you the class build guide. We're going to be using a Sunbreaker on the Hammer of Sol Super, and we're going to be using the throwing hammer as the solar melee. This is very important because it's going to be one of the things that we use to do a massive damage on the bosses. If you want, you can use any of the grenades that you want, but I recommend using the healing grenades because this is a solo flawless guide where the survivability is more important than damage. More importantly, this gives you restoration and cure, which is very important with this build. Now let's talk about the aspects. We have got Raining Flames, where final blows with the solar abilities or ignition increase the damage of your solo abilities, and it stacks 3 times. With the hammer, these things will be nasty. Most importantly, we are going to be using Sol Invictus as our other solar aspect. Solar ability Final Blows Hammer of Soul Impact and defeating scorched targets create sunspot. Those sunspots are going to be critical to staying alive, because when you enter to a sunspot, it applies restoration. Armor stats are not really super important, but if you can get to the highest resilience as possible, it is going to be helpful, but is not required at all. Finally, let's show the weapons loadout that you're going to need. You're going to need a sniper rifle and any submachine gun with the mods that you see in the image. Now, we will test our build class. As you can see in the gameplay, when I kill an enemy with the hammer, I increase my damage on the next hammer that I throw. And when I kill an enemy with the melee, I create a sunspot of the place of his death. That applies ignition to the enemies and at the same time apply restoration on us. This makes us heal when we kill enemies and have a damage buff all the time, because in the dungeon the enemies don't stop to respawn. Now we check a fast view of the mods that I recommend using in the armor. Well, with these recommendations, any solo player who wants to take on the challenge and anybody who has access to this accessible loot can solo flawless the Duality dungeon. Thanks for watching!